Okay guys, this is going to be a little bit of a long one as Frankie holds onto the phone. You hold onto that and I'll do the video. I'll do the... Okay, Joe, let's pick it up. Okay, now we pick this thing up and put it in the hole. Go for it, brother. Get it hanging. Get it hanging, brother. Okay. Up a bit higher. Until. Okay, come forward. Now, can you tilt your knuckle down?
Down dead eyes, come in more, mate.
Okay.
Knuckles going to be stuck on the clamp as well.
Okay. Go down a bit, Joe. Put it in the hole a bit. Just turn your knuckle around, down. Okay, lift. So keep your knuckle down. So you've got to come further in.
Doesn't have much lift left.
You don't have to worry about launching in so much, Frank. Watch what we're doing down here. There we go. Hang on, brother. Go. Down. Yeah. Okay, just stay there a minute, Joe.
Yep.
Come down a little. You've already got no weight, which is good. Follow that line. Okay, hold there. All you're doing is make sure it doesn't kill anybody.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, just that way a little bit, Joe. More. Keep going. Hold. There, just hold it there. Woo-wee. That wasn't bad, was it? Now, oh, mate. Spot on. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. That one. It's going to be that one. Just keep it all there, Frank. What we're doing is putting a couple of temporary braces in there. Slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to measure between the top and bottom.
We'll play silly buggers in a minute. Is that right?
Can we get that on video?
Yeah, he's got it all there. Keep it watching. We're getting there. Just put the temporary braces in. So we make sure she stands straight up. Of course, don't try any of this yourself unless you know what you're doing. So you want to start on those other posts first. Start with small ones, build yourself up. And if you want to get onto these, start with short ones first. Don't start with big ones. It all takes practice and lots of it. Dirt on everything. We're still filming, aren't we, Frank?
Yes.
Yeah. Goody, goody. Don't want to miss this part.
Frank, I thought this was Ron Jeremy.
That's his other one.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your opinion.
I'll have to edit that bit out. No editing. I'll have to edit that bit out.
Go. Pull back slightly. Good. Wait. Okay, pull away. All right. Yeehaw! That one's down. Keep on. Watch it me, Frank. Watch it me. Now we got the hard part. You'll need that to your end. Thanks, Hilton. Okay, now that was the easy part, guys. Whew. Bit of dirt in the eye. There want to be big doors for that. Okay. Now, all right. What we need to do now is to now plumb it up. We want to make sure it's straight up and down. And of course it's not. Frank, you want to have a look at that bubble? You can see the bubble, she's not plumb. That means straight up and down. And of course, now I don't know if you've noticed, but all we're using is a bit of pine down the bottom. That's all we've got. All it needs. A little bit more. Now what we're doing is pushing that over. Down here, Frank, for a sec. Now this bracket is very tight on this steel post. And of course, once we push it over, it's lifting this side off the timber. So what we have to do is make sure we knock it down so it's sitting, so it doesn't want to keep on coming back over. Oh, still hasn't moved much. This takes a bit of effort. All right, that's pretty good that way. See? Pretty plumb. Using the old plumb stick. Now we go around the back. And we got to come back this way a bit. She wanted to move?
Not really.
Not really?
No. Stick going that way's holding it.
She's doing much holding there. Not doing much holding there, so. Okay, I just got to push it. Going?
Nope. There's something you said is not doing much holding. Seems to be doing a lot of holding.
Yep, it does. Get it squared up a bit with the. We've got a piece of timber here which is giving them almost square. She's right on the line. The line, so I've got to go line up with my line down there, or I've got to go another. Got to go a bit more that way. Look at the other side of that bracket. There you go. That's a bit of a hit. Took a dive. I've got to go that way an inch to get to where I want it. Now, of course, this post is painted with the Interplus 1180, so we've got the 2-pack epoxy on to make sure she's protected in the concrete. The last thing we want to do is have corrosion, steel corrosion, after putting all this effort in. Where you? Almost whack it up. Of course, that's going to make it even worse for the bracing, so I'll have to get up there and disconnect that bracing to push her over to get it to plumb, to get it to where I want it. It's going to go there, almost there, and we got to go that way as well. Okay, watch yourself, Frank. As I said, this one's going to take a little bit. Oh, she's going to take a bit of a hit to do that. How far out do we push it? Oh yeah, big time. Whew. Big time. Oh man, this is where the muscle comes in. Doesn't help this drizzling making everything wet, but it makes everything slippery. They're pretty good. They're good enough for what we want there for the moment. Now we've got to check the other way. And, okay, that's fair. Now just got to get up here, release that, and push that over to where I want it. Okay, so I know it's a bit of a boring video, but this stuff just isn't